So here we have for review the Bizzy contact pickup. As you can see, it's got a nice little emblem there of a bee, Bizzy bee. It's about the size of a guitar control, like a volume or tone control, and it comes with a sort of a little kit like this. You've got your bag, instructions. This in here, this is beeswax, hence the name Bizzy bee. That's your agents to attach it to your instrument. And over here is the connecting lead from the Bizzy bee into a standard 1/4 inch jack for amplifier or booster pedal or whatever. Interestingly enough, when we use this to attach it, we can also roll it up again, put it back into its little pouch, and it will harden. Right, so this is the general layout for it, and that's what you get for your money. So here we have my travel guitar. I want to attach the Bizzy bee contact mic to it, so I'm going to use that with the provided beeswax. Quite a simple operation. Through some trial and error, I found out the best place to attach the pickup is on the back in this area here. So after microwaving the beeswax for about 1.5 minutes, you can flatten it into a nice disc. Right, so press it on and then attach it where the best sweet spot is. So just apply pressure downwards and twist, and then that will attach, as you can see. Right, so excuse the groaning guitar. And then all you do, you attach your cable, plug it in, perform, play, and then there's another P, I won't say that, and then you just take that out. And then to remove the pickup, just apply some side pressure, off it comes, peel off the wax, roll it back into a ball, and then put it back into its wrap, and there you go. Quite straightforward. It will leave slight residue, if you can see just there, but that's just quite straightforward. Being beeswax, you just polish that back into the finish of your guitar as if nothing had been there. Hi, I'm just reviewing a contact microphone. This one is called a Bizzy bee. It comes with beeswax as a form of attachment, but for the course of this review I'll be using a tacky blue plastic, just for ease of use to move it around. Well, here we have a just straightforward, all solid wood, maple backed acoustic guitar. It's Japanese made, styled after a Martin. The strings are quite old, quite straightforward. Now for my practices, I don't use a specially made acoustic guitar amp. It's just a straightforward Cube 60. I've had it for a number of years. I don't have a preamp for this pickup. There's no preamp that comes for it. It's a straight in plug and play. I'm using a Boss RC20XL loop station as a preamp. It's got separate microphone and normal input channels on there. I'm using the microphone input as a preamp. Right, so just putting it straight onto the amplifier and just using the EQ stack on the amplifier, you can sort of get very straightforward sound for your open chords. More complex chords. Pretty straightforward. What you can do, you need to find the sweet spot. You could use the actual bridge itself. It changes the tone ever so slightly, as you can see. or here, you can hear the difference. If we move it over here. It's all down to personal taste. I find just at the bottom here, it's a nice even tone. It's more suited to this style of guitar. In the next part of the review I'll explain why. Right, so this is a different style of guitar. It's Macceferri Selma. It's made by John Lavoy. It's a completely different construction from a Dreadnought. It's more mid-range, whereas Dreadnought's more boomy. As we can hear, it's quite tinny. It's okay on this guitar. But the nature of this guitar is the fact that it's quite tinny. This has got built-in piezo in the bridge here. But what is nice, if we blend the two together, excuse me, as you can hear now, I'm getting more of a bottom end from the pickup itself, and the Bizzy Bee is supplying the higher frequency. So we've got a nice mix, so we can get away with stuff like as you can hear, blending in with the built-in piezo, yeah, it can add in difference. I'll take it off. So, yeah, as an accompaniment to this built-in electronic pickup, yeah, it adds something. On its own, on this style, too thin. Okay, so that was the acoustic instrument setup. Here we have a very straightforward standard type jazz guitar, hollow bodied, maple neck, rosewood fingerboard. The body itself just pressed laminated maple, nothing special, but just purely to amplify the strings with the pickup. Normal magnetic pickup, normal sounds as well. That's with the tone circuit rolled off, with it full on. Quite dark sounding. So how can the Bizzy Bee help me amplify this? Well, what I've done with this guitar, I've just tweaked a few things on it over the years. Notably, I've put some sound posts inside from the top bracing straight through to the back, just so I can transfer some of the vibration from the bridge to the back of the body and try and get it to vibrate and push air a bit better. So what have I done with the Bizzy Bee? Well, I've just put it on the back, exactly where the string post touches. So I get, with this switched on, more of an acoustic sound. So if I turn down the volume on the pickup, okay, tinny, very much like the Macceferri type guitar, but again, we blend the two pickups in. Switched off. Switched on. And then we can roll the tone off on the magnetic pickup. retrospect. The Bizzy Bee in this application can give it more of an acoustic tone with the sound of the pick hitting the strings and getting more highs. So again, sort of for recording purposes, we can use the Bizzy Bee this way. Okay, solid body guitar. This one's a Squier J Mascis Jazzmaster. How can the Bizzy Bee help this, which is a grunge guitar? Well, in a number of ways it can. Get an acoustic sound from it. And how are we going to do that? Well, I'll show you. After mucking about, placing it around the body, the best place I've found is for the Bizzy Bee to hit up here. Right, so currently Bizzy Bee's switched off. I'm just using the top circuit, modified it to have a facet capacitor, so we can get some really, we can lose all the highs out of it. So what we do, put the Bizzy Bee on and we get a nice almost acoustic sound. Again, it's picking up the pick contact. I'm just using Dunlop stubbies, sort of like perspex type plastic. On, off. So again, we can get a bit of snap when we put it on. We just dial in the tone completely on the pickup. So we can use it in that context. Again, for recording purposes, I would use it again. Get a different tone that way, mixing things together. Okay, so as you can see, back to the acoustics. A very, very small travel guitar. It's a Go guitar by Sam Raddings out of San Diego. Nice piece of kit. Walnut back, mahogany neck, Engelmann spruce top, rosewood bridge and fingerboard. Nice piece of kit. It's the widest one he does. That's okay if you want to play in a hotel room or in your office. But for portability, if you're travelling around, you've got one of these small little travel amps. Bizzy Bee on the back here, that's the best place I can find. Okay, now I'll dial out the highs a bit. Boost the volume a touch. Yeah, you've got a pretty okay tone. Obviously, it's quite a difference without it. So yeah, can now amplify my travel guitar.